We heartily welcome all the guests to this occasion, the third annual day celebration of Sai Vinayak International School. Now, each year we strive for progress and excellence, and it's time now to reflect on our achievements. We invite the chairman of Sai Vinayak International School and the secretary of the Vinayak Learning Trust, Mr. Pramod Kumar Raut sir, to present the annual report of Sai Vinayak International School in highlighting the milestones in the journey we have traversed together.
Good afternoon to everyone present here. I warmly welcome you to the celebration of the third annual day Umang 3 24-25 of Sai Vinayak International School. It is an honor to stand before you and share the remarkable progress our school has made over the past year. I sincerely thank each of you for your vital role in making this journey a success. This annual report highlights the milestones and achievements of our school, providing us with an opportunity to reflect on our strengths as well as areas for improvement. We remain deeply committed to fostering a holistic learning environment that nurtures young minds, encourages independent thought, and promotes the comprehensive development of each child's personality. I would also like to take this opportunity to share with you the vision of the Vinayak Learning Trust, which is dedicated to delivering exceptional education to your children. The Trust's mission is to establish an unparalleled educational experience for Bhadrak and the surrounding areas, one that has yet to be seen. With your unwavering support and shared determination, we can turn this vision into reality. Sai Vinayak International School began its journey in 2020 with a commitment to preparing future leaders for the 21st century. We firmly believe that learning fuels creativity, creativity sparks thinking, thinking leads to knowledge, and knowledge empowers greatness. With extremely pleasure and heartfelt gratitude, I want to inform you all that our Sai Vinayak International School has been granted affiliation by Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE New Delhi in 2023. The school is dedicated to providing quality education to bright stars of our nation. We continuously set high standards for ourselves and work tirelessly to achieve excellence in academics, sports, discipline, leadership, and beyond. Our excellence and academics, sports, our school prides itself on having over 20 highly qualified, skilled, and experienced staff members, teachers, administrators, and support staff whose dedication has been widely recognized by both parents and students alike. This year, we take immense pride in announcing the outstanding performance of our students in the CBSE Class 10 Board Examination 2023-24. All 9 students who appeared for the examination passed with commendable marks, showcasing their dedication and hard work. Among them, 3 students achieved the remarkable milestone of securing above 80%, a testament to their exceptional academic powers. This accomplishment reflects the collective efforts of our students, teachers, and parents. We celebrate this success as a significant milestone and remain committed to nurturing excellence. We eagerly look forward to achieving even greater academic heights in the year to come. As the saying goes, strength does not come from physical capacity, it comes from unity. Guided by the principle, our students are divided into 4 houses: Gandhi, Nehru, Patel, and Bose. Each house is led by led by a team of house masters, house captains, and vice captains, ensuring that daily activities and co-curricular activities competitions are organized in a systematic and a disciplined manner. Regular inter-house competitions and activities foster a spirit of healthy competition and personal growth. The house also takes responsibility for conducting our daily assembly, setting the tone for the day with the energy and the enthusiasm, reflecting our belief that morning shows the day. As a dedicated institution committed to providing quality education, we have always prioritized the academic growth of our students. To ensure this, we conduct daily tests, unit tests, periodic assessments, and two-term examinations which help identify and address the strengths and weaknesses of our young learners under the guidance of our qualified teachers and mentors. We also take every opportunity to celebrate national and regional festivals such as Independence Day, Republic Day, Constitution Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Netaji Jayanti, Kartika Purnima, and others with great enthusiasm, spirit, and patriotism, instilling a sense of pride and unity in our students. Believing that children are the future of the nation, we commemorated Children's Day with our third annual exhibition where students and mentors showcased over 300 projects and crafts in areas such as science, math, history, geography, literature, technology, and art and crafts. Our little ones also participated in a fancy dress competition, winning the hearts of the spectators and judges alike. As the saying goes, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. And to be a great champion, you must believe that you are the best and keep striving. To enhance the physical endurance of our students, we held the second annual sports meet in November 2024 at the Binayak Residential Higher Secondary School playground. Our students exhibited excellent sportsmanship and participated in over 20 athletic events showcasing the pride and talent of the Sai Binayak family. We believe in nurturing well-rounded individuals, which is why we integrated various co-curricular activities to foster physical, moral, social, and mental development. These activities, including regular inter-house and inter-class competitions, allow students to showcase their talents. Theme-based curricular activities, competitions, organized under the strict guidance of our teachers, further accelerate both active and passive learning. Our reach extends beyond the school campus. Our students regularly participate in the district level, cluster level, and inter-school competitions, bringing home prizes and other accolades. This year, we also organized the International Olympiad exam conducted by the SOF International, where our students participated with enthusiasm and spirit, and we are hopeful for even better results than last year. Staying updated is crucial to success in education, and our teachers continuously strive to enhance their knowledge by attending workshops and training programs. To keep up with the demands of modern education, we have upgraded our infrastructure, including the installation of a state-of-the-art computer lab and experimental science lab and a well-equipped library, all designed to provide enriching the learning environment for our students. In addition to our regular teaching, we have been offering remedial classes after school hours to address students' doubt in an innovative and effective manner. To cater the students from distant areas, we provide comfortable and well-equipped hostel facilities, ensuring they have a conducive environment for learning. Our hostels are under the strict surveillance of 24-hour CCTV cameras and security personnel, guaranteeing a safe and secure atmosphere for all students. Additionally, we offer transportation services for students commuting from far-off places. To support the holistic development of our students, we regularly organize physical activities, games, yoga classes, music and dance sessions, and art and craft workshops, all aimed at enhancing their academic and co-curricular strengths. While many milestones have been achieved, there are still many more to reach. Sai Vinayak International School will continue its unwavering effort to shape young minds into well-rounded individuals filled with confidence and enthusiasm in line with the high standards of the esteemed institutions. This report is a sincere attempt to highlight the progress we have made in terms of achievements and activities throughout the year. As we reflect on our success with pride and joy, we dedicate all our accomplishments to the committed efforts of our dedicated team at Sai Vinayak International School. To conclude, I leave you with these words. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams and have the courage to make them a reality. Thank you. Jai Vinayak, Jai Jagannath, Bande Utkala Janani.